in the glove box. There's a stopper right here. You just twist it and pull it out, just like that. There's the same on the other side. Doesn't really matter which way you twist it. You can go right or left, take those out. Then slide this down. There is a little wheel right here with a bar. So just slide that out. The cover right here. There's a tab. Take this tab. Pull the tabs down. And it just slides out, just like that. So you're going to push down on those tabs, push up on those tabs, slide the filter out. Take the new filter, make sure the airflow arrow is going in the down direction. Slide it back in place and lock it down. On the side, this has to line up in here. You just slide it like that. Might have to adjust it a little bit. Once it's in that position, then you can put these stoppers back in and close the glove box.